Hi, so like I'm Grace, like I'm a cheerleader. I'm like basically like my whole personality is cheer, and like I love D-Money so much, but like he's with this weird girl, like really weird girl. So I don't really know what's going on there, but I want him.
Hi, I'm Nina, and I really like to study and all that fun stuff like tests. And there's this really cute guy, his name's D-Money, and I like him, but I don't think he notices me like that. And he likes this cheerleader, but I'm gonna try my best.
Did you check out that football game last night?
No, I had to study.
Oh, you missed out, dude. Those cheerleaders were righteous.
Oh my god! I just can't believe this. Get the camera out of my face!
My name is D-Money, y'all, and I'm living the American dream. This is my dream. Look, I got t-shirts, every color. I got designer t-shirts. I got trophies, gold, silver, whichever you want, mix it up. I got my chair. This ain't just a chair. This is my spaceship, all right? This is the USS Enterprise. I go to different planets on this thing. I'm loaded, stacked, bills upon bills. You already know how it is. And I'm in this house, and that Nina girl, there's something about her, man. She's different.
I'm gonna go study.
What are you even doing here? This is my turf! Get out of here!
You know what? No.
Oh, it's on.
I'm Sophia, guys. I don't even know what I'm doing here, man. I'm just here to keep the peace. Like, these girls are fighting over D-Money, and I don't really get it, man. Just kumbaya, you know?
Literally get out of my way! You're doing out of the way!
Dude, chicks fighting over me. You're righteous.